This wig is from West Kiss, and this is their 18-inch 13x4 HD lace wig, and it's their layered wig. So it already has built-in layers, and we'll test it out and see how it looks. It's a 13x4 lace. Yeah, so here's the inside, and the lace is really good, so let's go and try this out. Okay, so I've already done the bald cap and everything. What I've been doing is just tying the two ends right here. I've already done the bald cap method in my last video, so you guys can check that out there. So I'm going to go ahead and first put foundation on my lace, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so now I'm going to put this on. Oop, I can already tell it's going to be good. I'm just worried about the cap fitting. It seems pretty small for some reason. Weird. Okay, that looks like it fits. Alright, so I'm going to clip the sides back. This hair is really soft so far. So now I'm just going to make dots around the hairline just so that it can act like a guide, so that I don't put glue where I don't need it to be. And I'm just using a regular eyebrow pencil. I definitely want to bring it a bit closer because I don't want to ruin my hairline. So now I'm just cleaning the area with some alcohol. And then for the glue, I'm going to be using Bold Hold Active. And I'm going to do about 2 to 3 layers, probably around 3. So now that it's pretty much tacky, I'm just going to match up these dots with these dots and really press it in. And like always, I start with the front. And I really like the facelift, so I'm like really pulling hard. I can already feel the facelift. I'm just cutting off like the excess lace just so I can really see where I glued this. And then I'm going to cut the ears off so that it can glue down properly, like dry down properly. And just be careful around your ears. Don't want to cut that. I didn't really like bleach the knots a lot, like they're not all the way bleached. So I wonder how that's going to affect this. I feel like this side should have been more snatched, but it's okay. Like I could have gotten a better facelift, but it's all good. I think where I have it glued down is actually pretty good. I'm not gluing it really exactly there. Yeah, perfect. Okay, one more time, I'm going to press it in. Then using my melting bands. They're so cute. I love them. Look at them. Love my new logo. And let me clip this up actually. I like how little this hair is, like nice and small. I hate like when there's hair all over me, so this is perfect. But not gonna lie, of course I do love my long bust down wigs once in a while. Perfect, so I'm gonna let this do its thing for about 5 minutes and then I'll come back and cut the lace. Alright, now time to cut the lace. Okay. Don't know if you guys can see that. Now I'm regretting not bleaching the knots more, but it's okay. It's still okay. Alright, so I'm gonna just cut the lace a bit more closer to my mirror, and then I'll be back for the rest. Alright, so this is how it's looking. It's actually not bad at all. I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling it. So I'm going to just put hairspray so it can melt one more time, and then we'll start working on the rest of the hair. And this is the hairspray that I use. This is the Fantasia Liquid Mousse Firm Hold Spritz Hairspray. And not too much, so that it doesn't leave any kind of cast, but I just put some on my finger, and then I press, and that's what I do. Perfect. Then wrap one more time. Now, as for the hair, I was going to straighten it, but now I'm thinking of curling it, like in bigger curls. So let's do that. So I'm just going to take larger sections. I'm going to be splitting half of it. It's really not that much hair. It's super low density. I don't think this is 180 density. It's feeling more like 150. And this is how long it is. This is not 18 inches, right? This is definitely 16. Or is it 18? Actually, it could be 18. I don't know why it looks different, but my 18 inches for my line is not this small. It feels really soft though. I really like how it feels. Now I'm trying to think of how I'm going to curl my hair. I think I'm going to curl these inwards and then the rest outwards. It's kind of weird on this barrel, but oh, yeah, like this. Mostly just the end. So yeah, perfect. That's exactly what I meant. And this side. So weird. I'm so used to curling my hair the other way. This is so odd. And this is my Hot Tools curling iron. Just in case y'all were wondering. Beautiful. This is the thing about low density wigs that I love. You don't even need to curl that many sections, because in other wigs this would be like 20 sections of hair. But we don't need to do all that. And then I'm gonna split it into like 3. So this is the first section. I'm gonna split this in half, and then I'll work on the front later. So now we're working on the middle part. So I'm sectioning off the top right here. I'm also applying some Chi on the Silk Infusion. And then again, I'm splitting this into 2 sections. And I think I'll curl these outwards. Yeah. Okay, now I was gonna do a side, I think I will do a side part. I'm gonna take this off though, because it's cutting my circulation off. It is super melted. It's looking great. And I think, yeah, I'll do a side part going this way. I'm gonna use my hot comb and flatten out the hair. I'm gonna first get the side part and then use my wax stick and flatten it up. It's so flat. Like, it's really flat on my head. It's crazy. Yeah, I think we should go with the side part still. I keep thinking to change my mind, right? I think I'll stay with the side part. Just gotta make this curve. I think I like that placement. And then I'll just play around with it later. Okay, it's coming. It's getting there. It's getting there. So this will be the baby hair. Actually, I should take the baby hairs out now. It's so funny because my thinking process is always like displayed when I'm doing these wig videos, but alright. Perfect. And now I'm gonna take the baby hairs out before I continue styling, just so I know where they're gonna be. Again, I'm going with the exaggerated baby hairs, kind of. Okay, I think I got the baby hairs. Now I'm just gonna finish up styling the rest of the hair, and then I'll do the baby hairs last. This hair's so soft, I don't even know where the other hair is. Now this, I could either go this way or I could go that way. I don't know. I think I'll just do what I normally do, and then if I want to change it, I'll change it later. I'm definitely going to cut this shorter. I'm just going to angle downwards. Cute. This is so cute. It's getting natural. I love it. Okay, so now the baby hairs. And I'm going to pin back the hair like so. Okay, so for the baby hairs, I'll probably pluck after, just so that I don't over pluck. And I'm still not sure of how long I'm gonna make the baby hairs, but I'll start with something. I'm not sure yet. I think I'll start with something longer first, and then we'll go from there. And using this little flat iron, I'm gonna actually curl it outwards. I normally curl it inwards, but this works just as good. I think it's actually easier to curl it outwards. Okay, I'm not sure what this is doing. This hair is so straight. Okay. And then for the edges, I'm using Galata Body Loose, like usual. I'll fix it after it's dry. This is so curly, dang. And wrap one last time. Okay. Now we just wait for that to do its thing. Time for the reveal. Ooh. I'm just gonna brush them out. This one's perfect. Yeah, like this one. It's not bad, but I'll fix them up. I don't think this one needs to be that thin, but I'll play around with it. I think I'll keep the length for now, and then If I feel like changing it later, I probably will. But for now, it's giving what it needs to give. This one too. Perfect. This is great too. And that's good. Perfect. Now put this, make this a bump a little bit because it's kind of a little too flat. Perfect. Look at how cute. And let me brush this out. Or I'll just do it with my fingers. I want the messiness to come out. Kind of. Literally what I had imagined, and oh my gosh, I love it. This is so cute. It's actually a perfect density because look at how it looks. It's giving very natural. It's giving silk press. Love. It's giving healthy hair. And there we have it, you guys. This is the end of the video, and I really do like this hair. You guys can see how it moves. It's nice and soft, and really, I don't know, there's really nothing bad about this. It's just really straight and really nice to work with. What else? Like if I straighten this, I know it's going to hold really well, and if I curled it like I did right now, it's holding really well. So yeah, nothing really else to say about this. I love the lace. Everything worked perfectly. And yeah, if you guys would like to purchase this hair, I will put all of the information in the description down below. And if you guys did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. Comment below what you'd like to see or what your favorite part about this video is, or would you purchase this hair. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you guys go ahead and do that, and I'll see you in my next video.